This home's original cedar tile roof had reached the end of its service life. Over time, the cedar shingles began to split and break, not only along the roof slopes, but also across the hips and ridges. Years of exposure to sun, moisture, and severe weather had taken a visible toll on the system as a whole. Even the ventilation and chimney areas showed signs of wear and damage. To preserve the cedar architectural character of the home, the homeowner chose a complete upgrade to a Cedur synthetic cedar roof system. We installed a full Cedur roof system, engineered to replicate the natural beauty of cedar while eliminating the common issues of splitting, rot, and decay. New power vents were installed to improve airflow through the attic, helping regulate temperature, reduce moisture buildup, and support long-term roof performance. At the chimney, we removed the damaged siding and replaced it with matching Cedur chimney siding, restoring a seamless, finished appearance. The weathered and failing chimney cap was also replaced with a new, durable cap designed to protect against moisture intrusion and extend the life of the chimney system. Unlike natural cedar, Cedur roof tile is impact-resistant, moisture-resistant, and low-maintenance, built to withstand harsh weather while maintaining its appearance for decades. The result is a roof system that delivers the timeless look of cedar, enhanced durability, improved ventilation, and long-term peace of mind. From ventilation upgrades to chimney restoration and a complete roof transformation, this project was built with precision, performance, and longevity in mind. Magnum Construction, craftsmanship you can see, protection you can trust.